The proliferation of disinformation through social media presents a crisis for our democracy. I believe that. Yet social media executives have utterly failed to stop the spread of disinformation on their platforms. Instead, again and again, they have sold out the public interest to pad their corporate profits. They know exactly what they are doing. It's very evil.
We really, collectively as a global community, need to continue to put pressure on these companies for them to be forced to do the right thing for our families and communities.
I've gotten all types of questions during this time. I've been asked on social media if wearing masks for too long could lead to carbon dioxide poisoning. I've been asked if spraying bleach on one's skin or drinking diluted bleach should be done as a precaution. And I truly worry as a physician because of the harmful effects that this widely spread disinformation can have on my patients.
So clear that in order to fight the spread of COVID-19 and keep our communities and families safe, we have to fight the spread of disinformation, whether it comes from shadowy corners of the internet or as shocking as it seems from the podium of the President of the United States.
Disinformation, propaganda, and hateful speech are good for engagement. They're good for business. And that's why these companies will not change unless their business models change as well. They don't need any carrots. They are making enormous amounts of money. The most profitable companies in the world because they are collecting all of this data and then engaging in behavioral kind of advertising to kind of predict the behavior of individuals and to micro-target them. And so it's not an inability, it's an unwillingness. They have the ability to do all the things we've discussed. They choose not to do it because they're making too much money from the existing business model.
Now in COVID-19 situation, we saw an avalanche of different fake news, which with different dangerous advices for the people what to do against COVID. Drinking bleach was one of them.
Decent standards for companies to follow in terms of the way content is curated and served on their platforms, and setting requirements for them to act against content that is clearly harmful.